Hey guys, welcome back to the WordPress installation video. By now you should have identified a profitable niche and keyword that you intend to rank for. You should have purchased your domain as well, and right now what we're going to do is head over to our domain manager at GoDaddy to point out our DNS to our web hosting provider. So go ahead, click on Domains, and under My Account, click on Domain Management. The interface for GoDaddy may change from time to time, but it shouldn't differ very much. Just make sure you find your way to the Domain Manager interface. Once you are at your Domain Manager, the domain you have purchased is selected over here. Next, click on the Name Servers icon and then click on Set Name Servers. Next, select the radio button which says, I have specific name servers for my domains. For these name servers field, you'll need to get hold of them from your web hosting provider. If you don't know what they are, just send your web hosting provider an email and they should give you the DNS details. Since I know mine already, I am just going to put my name servers detail in here. When that's done, it should be pointed to your web hosting provider and take a couple of minutes to take effect. The next thing you'd want to do is head over to your cPanel and select the Add-on Domains icon. Next, enter the domain you want to add to your web hosting provider at the domain name field. In our example here, it is chickencoopsandruns.com. Then, enter your password access for this domain and click Add Domain. Once you've added your domain to your web hosting provider, go back to the Home dashboard of your cPanel and look for the WordPress icon. Click on it so that we can install WordPress as the main platform for our website. Next, click on New Installation. Next, select the domain you would like WordPress to be installed into. We'll of course select chickencoopsandruns.com. Leave blank for Install in Directory. For your admin access data, enter your admin login and password to access your WordPress admin area. You can leave the base configuration details blank for now, because those can be edited later on at the WordPress admin area. Lastly, just hit the Install WordPress button and then click on Finish Installation to complete the process. Now WordPress has been successfully installed. Make sure you bookmark the full URL to the admin area, and I'll see you in the next video to set up your WordPress for page 1 ranking domination.